Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:23 p.m. October 9th, 2020, Friday, end of the week, and a great week it was. Hope you guys had one as well. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to build the channel and help you guys and help myself, and just go with the journey, keep it going. So today was interesting. Gap up on the markets. A lot of politics going on right now, of course. That's affecting the markets, and we're kind of just flatlining once we open. We're only up a point from the opening price today on the SPY, gapping up, and then it kind of got this volume at the end. But if it didn't, it would have been pretty much where it opened. And, you can't really think of this as, because there's always a bull market. We found some stocks. We have stocks that are up 98%, 54%, 21%. And VVPR was one of those ones that gapped up heavily this morning in the pre-market. I missed a trade in the pre-market because I just wasn't here. But I know people got it that I'm friends with through the 13 level here. Down here, actually. I was in the pre-market. I don't have pre-market on. And then when I'm done with this video, or at the end of the video, I'll go over my equity curve for the week. So stay tuned to that. But look at this pass through back through 19 on this level here. I really wanted this one, but again, I wasn't available to take this trade, and it moved up 5 points. Frustrating when you miss a trade like that. Very whippy stock, very fast moving. I think my range would have been between 100 and 300 shares. I think that could have been a really big day maker there. But then again, if it had failed, it would have been pretty painful. But I'm not going to worry about that because I didn't trade it. Let's get into what I did trade. I opened the day with Tesla, good old Tesla, back through this. So it opened up on a gap up, faded, and then came back through again. I was able to grab 50 shares on that. Probably could have gotten a little bit more out of it. I kind of sold a little too soon. Didn't come back to my entry until after the fact that it made the secondary move. Probably missed out on another, I don't know, $20, $30 or something else. I made like $47 on that trade. And then GameStop. We talked about GameStop yesterday, making that deal with Microsoft. Actually, someone commented and asked if I got into it or they got into it. And I got into it today. Nice little trade through this level here, 1350. Just 300 shares, able to really grab some. I thought I could grab a little bit more. It was one of those stocks that's very whippy again. But it did make life easier. There was no pain, and it moved up pretty well, and I got 104 on that one, which was kind of nice. And then the last trade of the day, which was kind of midday, I missed on Big C, but Unity Software back through here through 97 right here was a nice little trade. However, I went with 100 shares, which was $1 risk on the trade. Only 100 shares, but I jumped a little too soon, and the spreads got like 30 cents wide. But I didn't want to sell it right away because I'm like, okay, this thing's gonna go. I don't want to sell it because if I sell it at a market price, I'm pretty much gonna lose $30. And I let it hold on to a second. Actually, it didn't really get down to 30 cents. I think it got down more like 25 cents. And then it turned back up and just made great moves. But on the original move to like 97.15, I sold 75 shares of it. I sold 3/4 of my position on that 15-cent move, which is just so soft and just unnecessary. I have to think about those things because those are the things that are going to make me better in the long run. What happened was I had 25 shares left. I sold like 10 shares at 98. I sold 10 shares at 99, and then I actually had to set a hard stop and walk away for a second. Look, it went up to 100.42. And then it came down and stopped me out. So I was only able to get out of 100 shares on a 3-point move. I was like only able to get $30. Pretty painful on that. 31.35 because it could have been a lot better. You can see here I had this big C order. Big C today. Made a nice move through here on the 95.50 level. Took a little bit of pain, a little process, excuse me, and then continued up to about 98. I have to get the confidence just to pull the trigger every time. And it's some are going to lose, and I have to understand that. So I'm okay. Make sure, you guys keep following, and you'll see more of this, and hopefully I continue to get better, and that's the ultimate goal. Let's go over the equity curve real quick. I had it cut out already for the week. Started off with is this the Boeing trade? Remember at the beginning of the week, was that the Boeing trade? I don't even remember anymore. They still haven't gotten back to me, by the way, on TradeStation on that Boeing trade. If you watch my video from Monday or so, where I had TradeStation issues again, very frustrating. But I was able to. This is one day right here. It's just day 2, day 3, day 4. No, is it? I don't remember. I think these are actually trade numbers. I kind of cut out the amount of money I made, but I think you can get the idea if you watch all the videos how much I made this week. But every green dot is a new high for the whatever range I am showing. So if I do October 5th to October 9th, I'm finishing the week on the highs of the week. For example, if I finished Wednesday right here and I finished, Thursday right here, I wouldn't be finishing on the high of the week because I was up higher before that. But my last trade did get me some green and it didn't fall off. So good trading week. I'm really proud of myself this week, and I really look forward to next week. Hopefully the markets continue to act this way. I know it's a little bit choppy right now, but there's some setups out there, and I'm really learning the process. I'm really excited about it. I got a buddy I'm working with closer, and it's going well. So I'm pretty excited. And you guys make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it, and let me know if there's anything you want to go over on TradeStation. I still considering E-Trade. I have the account set up on my IRA account, but other than those couple days of weird fills on TradeStation, I've been getting better entries actually on the high liquidity event trades. So it's almost like the reason why I wanted to go to E-Trade is now different. But we'll get into that next week or through October, see how things go. Hopefully the markets continue to rise and make some good trades. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will be back next week. Have a good one, guys.